So now we've come to the guided practice part of our lesson, and we are still looking at our same objective through the study of various images. The student will be able to infer the mood, conflict, and or message. So remember that infer means that it's not stated. So you're going to have to imply what the image is saying. You're going to demonstrate mastery through an exit ticket at the end of the lesson. Okay, so the expectations for this part of the lesson are that you complete the guided practice worksheet that's on your desk, and that you fill out the model, and you do the you-dos. It's also your responsibility to get my help if you do not know how to do the you-dos. Okay, so the 3 essential questions that we're going to go over are: what is the mood? Remember that mood is how the author makes you feel. What conflict is represented? Sometimes there won't be a conflict in the picture, but if there is, you need to identify person versus whatever they are facing. And then the next thing is, what is the message? Remember, the message is what the author wants you to think or understand. Okay. All right, so my first image that I look at is a picture of a policeman, and he is spraying something at a group of people sitting on the ground. It looks like I see something here. I don't know if maybe that was something that the police sprayed or threw at the protesters, because I'm assuming these people were protesting something, and that's why they are being attacked by the police. I also see a lot of people with phones and cameras, so there's a lot of people looking on what the police are doing to this group of people. Okay, so the first step is that I identify the mood of this picture. So when I look at this picture, I feel kind of frustrated and angry that the police would spray these seemingly innocent people with tear gas or something, pepper spray, something that's harming them. And that makes me feel overall indignant. That's the word that kind of sums up how I feel. And indignant means a feeling of anger because of unfair treatment. So now I need to identify the conflict. So when I look at the police, they make me think of society, because they represent government, they represent the law, keeping the society together. So, and then I have this group of people. So this is my person. So to me, it's going to be person versus society. Okay, now I need to identify what is the author's message about the police. So when I look at this picture, it makes me think that the police are oppressing innocent people. So the author seems to be saying that the police oppress the innocent, and that they limit freedom of speech. Okay, so I'm going to step out of my model, and I'm going to go back over my steps. So the first thing I do is I identify mood. Remember, mood is how the author makes me feel. Then I'm identifying conflict. What is the person or the people in the picture? What are they facing? What are they going up against? Then the last one is the message about the police. So what is the author's message? What do they want me to think or believe based on this picture? Okay, so now you're going to do all of your you-dos. If you need help, please raise your hand and I will come to you.